Just finished the St. George Narrows. That little video was a little portion of it. That's what it's like the whole way through. Let's roll some footage and show you guys what it's like. Dude, that's tight. That's really cool. Oh my god, can we fit in that?
I guess you go through it and just say. Well, it's gonna be skinny.
Yeah. Am I skinny enough for this?
You gotta go sideways for sure.
Yeah. So this is inside the Narrows, the St. George Narrows, and me and Shane are about to try to squeeze through this tiny spot. If you are claustrophobic, which I am a little, this is not the hike for you. Shane's going first. Squeeze it. Oh my god.
I'm going for your crap on there.
Oh god, you can make it through this? Oh god, I'm claustrophobic already.
That's fine.
Yeah.
People way better than you.
True that. How do these people make it through here? Got it?
Well, that's pretty skinny right there, actually.
Is it?
It's like really skinny.
Yeah? I don't know if we're making it through that. Whew.
We made it to the skinniest part, it looks like.
Hopefully.
And it's fucking skinny as shit.
Yeah. That was really scary. Like, my body is touching. I had to squeeze my body through that little part right there. And we are not big people, so
Yeah, I'm skinny.
you've got to be pretty skinny to make it through here. All right, let's get out of here, dude.
Let's go.
This is skinny. This is scarier than Angel's Landing.
If you're claustrophobic,
If you're claustrophobic, I'm a little claustrophobic. And I'm touching the sides of the wall right now. Alright, I'm gonna try to climb out. Dude, we just made it through that skinny spot. That was super sketch.
You get about halfway, there's a little cave.
Yeah, there's a little cave I'm gonna go in. I don't know if I'm brave enough to squeeze. There's like a little part you can squeeze your body through from what I've seen in the other videos. I don't know, we'll see. But this is the cave. It's really cool. This is on the GoPro and not my good camera, so that was a fail. But this is really pretty.
Probably squeeze through that, actually.
Slowly, the more I hang out in here, getting over my claustrophobia fear. I'm making it.
And this is
Let me
almost
get
towards the
Shane.
end.
Yeah, this is right at the end. Shane is like stuck right there. He's pushing his body through. It's so skinny.
Yeah, I'm skinny.
Yeah. I mean,
I
that's
push back as hard as I can.
yeah, that's a skinny spot.
Can't even fit my hand in there still.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's good.
If I didn't see other people's videos coming through here, I would not think you could make it through this.
Oh shit, I would have turned around from the beginning.
I almost turned around at the beginning. That spot was really skinny. And he's out. Shane's already made it out. That part's pretty wide. Still skinny, but wide. And over here, we just made it through all of that. That's crazy. Glasses in the car. I'm a rock climber now.
Yep.